Alright, so I was instructed on how to operate the excavator, and I did it the other day, or last weekend. I think it was a weekend, whenever it was. I did it for a little bit just to know how to operate it. Now I've been left home alone to my own devices, and I was given permission to go ahead and operate it and knock some things down. Well, not some things, but clear some debris. So we're about to see how this goes. day. Now the professional is moving everything where it's supposed to go. That was fun. I'm pretty sure the people that do this for a living have more modern ones with the closed-in cab with the air conditioning. So it's probably even more fun. Oh well. That's it, it's a wrap. Time to go in the house, take a shower, eat some dinner. Have a good weekend. Again.